Hi y'all, welcome in. I hope you're doing amazing. If you're new to my channel, I'm Lindsay. My channel is all about self and spiritual development, manifestation, messages from spirit, and a little bit about entrepreneurship. And if you are interested in those other resources, they are in the description box below. But today's video is going to be an affirmation tape. And I just am in love with affirmations. They have played a massive role in my own reprogramming, y'all. I cannot talk enough about how important and life-changing and truly helpful they are, and why the OGs and the experts still talk about them, like Louise Hayes, so much. So I have 30 ready to go for us here. These affirmations are going to be for shifting your energy from anxious attachment to one of secure attachment. So how this is going to go is I am going to say each affirmation. They are all in first person I am, and you are just going to repeat each affirmation after me, either in your head or aloud, whichever you prefer or are able to do. And then I am going to repeat them again for you in second person you are. So all you have to do is listen. I am a big believer that if you are using subliminals or affirmation tapes, I really think both I am and you are important. So because it's me, and my voice, and so I think that this is a really powerful way to do it. So I'm just gonna again just say each affirmation I am first. You're gonna repeat after me, and then the second round all you have to do is listen, and it's just gonna be me telling you. And so I'm thinking about keeping these affirmation tapes, doing it this way with me on camera. I really like kind of that power behind it. But if you are more interested in keeping these affirmation tapes more like the way I do my subliminals and meditations, which are more the stock videos and photos, then we can do that as well. But so just let me know what you think in the comments about that. But with that said, let's go ahead and get started with these affirmations. So I am safe in love. I feel secure in my relationships. I am calm, centered, and grounded. I trust others to love me without fear. I no longer chase. I allow love to flow to me. I feel whole and worthy as I am. I attract partners who are emotionally available. I release fear of abandonment. I know that I am never truly alone. My emotions are valid, but they do not control me. I respond, I do not react. I no longer seek constant reassurance. I feel safe when people need space. I enjoy closeness and independence. I know I am enough. I trust myself to handle uncertainty with grace. Love is safe. I feel secure in giving and receiving love. I let go of clinginess and allow natural connection. I am healing every day. I love without fear. I communicate calmly and clearly. I am seen, heard, and valued. My nervous system is calm in love. I deserve consistent, kind, and honest relationships. I attract healthy, secure bonds. I am already becoming securely attached. It is safe to relax. It is safe to love. It is safe to be loved. Okay, good job. So now for this one, all you have to do is listen to me. And I'm going to switch to second person you are. You are safe in love. You feel secure in your relationships. You are calm, centered, and grounded. You trust others to love you without fear. You no longer chase, you allow love to flow to you. You feel whole and worthy as you are. You attract partners who are emotionally available. You release fear of abandonment. You know that you are never alone. Your emotions are valid, but they do not control you. You respond, you don't react. You no longer seek constant reassurance. You feel safe when people need space. You enjoy closeness and independence. You know you are enough. You trust yourself to handle uncertainty with grace. Love is safe. You feel secure in giving and receiving love. You let go of clinginess and allow natural connection. You are healing every day. You love without fear. You communicate calmly and clearly. You are seen, heard, and valued. Your nervous system is calm in love. You deserve consistent, kind, and honest relationships. You attract healthy, secure bonds. You are already becoming securely attached. It is safe to relax. It is safe to love. It is safe to be loved. So let me know what y'all think about this. Also, this is really meant to be for like friends, family, truly any kind of relationship or connection. I wanted it to be very all encompassing if you are struggling with anxious attachment. And you can come back to this as much as you want. Again, if you prefer, if I start doing the affirmation tapes not on camera and doing them more subliminal style, then of course please do let me know in the comments, and use these affirmation tapes. Come back to these as much as you want, and then really pair them with my subliminals. That's what I do, and I use those overnight because the subliminals are really the most powerful way to reprogram overnight when the door to the subconscious mind is open. And I've also got red on in the background and wearing red. Color therapy is a very real thing, and I am working on the root chakra today, and especially with these affirmations dealing with security and stability, that is all tied to the root chakra, which is symbolized by the color red. So if y'all want me to make a video about that, then definitely let me know as well. And of course, if there is anything specific that you would like me to make regarding affirmation tapes or subliminals, please do drop that in the comments. I'll be making plenty more, but I always want to know what y'all are needing, of course, as well. So just let me know. And I just am so grateful for each and every one of y'all. I truly hope that these are helpful. Please come back to them as much as you need. They are great for when you're getting ready, showering, just doing, the mundane things like that is when I really like to focus on affirmations. And again, I focus on subliminals when I am sleeping. So I'm just so grateful for each and every one of y'all. I'm sending you so much love and encouragement. I love you, and I will see y'all in the next video, okay? Take care.